Hey everyone! Welcome back to Mr. Talksy channel. I'm Emma, and today I have something super fun for you.
Hey guys, I'm John, and trust me, you're going to love this video because we're going to show you how to start real English conversations the easy way.
Exactly. Do you ever feel nervous talking to someone in English? Like you don't know what to say and it's awkward?
Oh yes, we've all been there. But don't worry, that's what small talk is for.
Today, we'll teach you how to talk naturally about everyday things, like the weather, food, hobbies, work, and even weekends. By the end, you'll feel confident starting a conversation anywhere.
And the best part? You'll learn it just by listening and practicing with us, like a real conversation. No boring grammar rules.
So, let's start with a simple question. John, how's your morning today?
Good. I had my coffee, watered my plants, and went for a walk. But I almost forgot to feed my fish.
Oh no, I did the same yesterday. I forgot my little cactus, but it survived.
That's lucky. Okay, let's jump into the first part of small talk. Greetings.
Greetings are easy, but important. Just saying, "Hi, how are you?" is fine, but if you add a small detail, it becomes natural.
Right. Instead of, I'm fine, you can say, I'm good. I just had my coffee and it's sunny outside.
Or, "I'm okay. A little tired, but happy to see you."
Let's try a quick example. Emma. Hi, John. How are you today?
"Hi, John. How are you today?"
Hi, Emma. I'm good, thanks. Had a long morning, but nice to see you. How about you?
"I'm great. I just finished a walk outside. The weather is perfect today."
Short, simple, and friendly. That's the key to small talk.
Now, let's talk about one of the easiest topics, the weather. Everyone talks about it.
You can say, it's hot today, isn't it? Or, looks like rain.
Or, "I love this sunny weather. It makes me happy."
Example. Hi, John. Beautiful day, isn't it?
"Hi, Emma." "Yes, sunny and warm. Perfect for a walk. Did you go outside today?"
Yes, I walked my dog. He was so excited.
Dogs make everything better.
Small talk works by moving naturally from one topic to another, like weather to activity to weekend plans.
Another fun topic is food. Ask things like, "Did you have breakfast?" Or, "Have you tried this cafe?"
And your answer can include little details. Yes, I had pancakes. They were delicious.
Or funny ones. "No breakfast yet. Waiting for lunch."
Example conversation. Hey, Emma, did you eat breakfast today?
"Yes, smoothie and toast. You?"
Just coffee and a bagel. Planning lunch soon.
"I'm thinking of trying a new sandwich place. Want to join someday?"
Yes, that sounds fun.
See? Small talk can lead to plans, not just words.
Hobbies are also great for small talk. Ask, what do you like to do in your free time?
Your answer can be short or detailed. "I love reading. I just finished a novel called..."
Or, I like hiking. It's relaxing and fun.
Example.
Hi, Emma. What do you like to do after work?
"I usually read a book or watch a TV show. Yesterday, I watched a comedy. It made me laugh."
I love comedy too. I watched a movie last night. It was interesting.
Sharing small details makes conversations natural.
Work and school are easy topics too. Keep it short.
Ask, "How's work?" Or, "Are you busy today?"
Answer. It's good. Busy, but I enjoy it.
Or, "School is okay. Some homework, but not too hard."
Weekends are another favorite. Ask, what are you doing this weekend?
Or, "Did you do anything fun last weekend?"
Example. Hi, Emma. Any weekend plans?
Yes, hiking with friends. You?
Visiting my parents. Been a while.
Family time is always nice.
Compliments also work well. You can say, I like your shirt, or your haircut looks great.
And simple responses like, thank you, keep it friendly.
Example.
Hi, John. Love your shoes.
Thanks, Emma. Bought them yesterday. Glad you like them.
And don't forget follow-up questions. They keep the conversation going.
If someone says, I went to the park yesterday, ask, which park? Or, did you go with friends?
Listening is just as important. Smile, nod, react. Wow. Or, really?
Now let's try a full natural conversation using all tips.
Hi, John. How's your morning?
Hi, Emma. Good, thanks. Coffee and dog walk. You?
Had breakfast, read a book. Weather is perfect. Did you see the sun?
Yes, sunny and warm. Dog happy?
Yes, he ran so much. Weekend plans?
Visited parents. Barbecue. You?
Hiking with friends. Sandwiches, view, fun weekend.
Sounds amazing. Love your jacket.
Thanks. Just bought it last week. Happy you noticed.
Small talk is about sharing, listening, and showing interest.
Smile, laugh, enjoy it, and don't fear mistakes.
Practice makes it easier. Talk with friends, classmates, or yourself.
Thanks for watching. I hope you learned how to do small talk naturally.
Practice these tips, and soon you'll feel confident speaking English every day.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more English practice on Mr. Talksy channel.
Thanks, everyone. Keep practicing, and see you next time.
Bye!
Bye.